DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, the Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, people, you don't know what time it is when you done in the lab, you know, man. You don't know what go on. Mad reaction are forward, mad music are forward, mad review are forward. You don't know. And it's no different this time, you see me? Today we're there with Rymey Gad, an artist that's been requested a lot. You see me? I've been looking for the people that actually request Rymey Gad reaction, and I can't find them. You see me? I believe Trap was one of them. You know, thing there, no lie, but I can't find the people that was requesting Rymey Gad. Y'all guys was sending a lot of requests, bro, and I'm looking for your comments to give y'all a shout out, but it ain't here. Just drop in the comment, me shout out next time. I don't know what time it is, but yeah, man. Today we're there with Rymey Gad and Kraff. The one named Nuh Obeah. I didn't even realize that Kraff is on this one, but I'll check it out and see what dog the man deal with. You see me? I'm expecting this is supposed to be a banger. You see me? I say, but yeah, man. Let me know if you know about Rymey Gad, from the family of the artist. Drop some info. Let me know what go on. You see me? I say, gang, yeah, man. We don't want to vibe much longer. We'll jump right into the track. Rymey Gad, Kraff, Nuh Obeah.
I've been a rich man and I have been a poor man.
Oh shit! Oh shit! They crowning, they quoting the Wolf of Wall Street with that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Kwandan, I'm a madman. Oh, Richard dance of man. Jaja.
Oh, go on.
Money man a grab dog, not free your bad dog. Hustle man a hustle every minute, panic clock hard. Hustle while you a snap, boy can't style it, God car, you a waste bad fraud, tell you
can't style it, God car, you a waste bad. Hey boy, move up, come in.
One done, him a bang hard. Tip guard, the bleach still package land. Running shot, make you dance salsa song. But duff, buff. Come and get a phone, catch a town. Catch a guna, make your mama proud. To team up and make it so, cuff him up and make it loud.
Hola, dog. Come here.
Make your mama proud. To team up and make it so, cuff him up and make it loud. Run him out and get a loan. After that you sell him home. Mommy not fi use Nuh Obeah. Fi take a rover, turn her in a row. Now when all of that is over, you can spam my show.
Hola. Hold on. We not fi use Nuh Obeah. You see me take it over. Alright, come in.
Catch a town, catch a guna, make your mama proud. To team up and make it so, cuff him up and make it loud. Run him out and get a loan. After that you sell him home. Mommy not fi use Nuh Obeah. Fi take a rover, turn her in a row.
Like once you get a phone, get after that you get a hola.
Him out and get a loan.
Hola. I make your mother proud. Oh yeah.
Salsa song, but duff, buff. Come and get a phone, catch a town. Catch a guna, make your mama proud. To team up and make it so, cuff him up and make it loud. Run him out and get a loan. After that you sell him home. Mommy not fi use Nuh Obeah. Fi take a rover, turn her in a row.
Easy. Man say first me get a phone, then me get a tone, then me get a giant and make your mother proud. Turn it up and man, easy dog. Hey.
Now that is over, you can spam my shoulder. I'm firm like a soldier. I'm cry to Jehovah. Come and get a phone, catch a town. Catch a guna, make your mama proud. To team up and make it so, cuff him up and make it loud. Run him out and get a loan. After that you sell him home. Mommy not fi use Nuh Obeah. Fi take a rover, turn her in a row. Now when all of that is over, you think.
Man say me now fi no use Nuh Obeah. Fi take her over, turn her in a row now. After runner. Kraff! How are dog do? Come in.
Papa Mali lost some feelings. Copper hip take off the ceiling. Apparatus for the stealing. Henny buckle for the healing. Panny line a cash reeling. Chopper 20 well deceiving. Chopper skull by this evening.
Man say Papa Peel lost me feeling. Jappy whip lost his ceiling. Hey, Kraff is yeah, Africa. Hey, I be a bit
Papa Mali lost some feelings. Copper hip take off the ceiling. Apparatus for the stealing.
Happy Mali lost me feeling. Copper whiff lost his ceiling. Come in, alright. Come on, pull up.
Papa Mali lost some feelings. Copper hip take off the ceiling. Apparatus for the stealing. Henny buckle for the healing.
Apparat.
Cash reeling. Chopper 20 well deceiving. Chopper skull by this evening. Run a
Chopper 20 well deceiving. Chopper skull by hey. Come in now, man. Come, it's Kraff.
Papa Mali lost some feelings. Copper hip take off the ceiling. Apparatus for the stealing. Henny buckle for the healing. Panny line a cash reeling. Chopper 20 well deceiving. Chopper Chopper skull your boy this evening. Run a jump, me kill a bleed him. Copper conky man no guarding. Wet him up but I no guarding.
Man say copper conky man no guarding. Come in now, man. Copper conky man no gathering you. Ease yourself. Come on.
Well this evening. Chopper skull your boy this evening. Run a jump, me kill a bleed him. Copper conky man no guarding. Wet him up but I no guarding. Can't shoot, we know the farming. Back to the moolah, make a little miller morning.
Come in now, man.
Money man I grab.
Kraff, the man say can't shoot. We not do farming youth. Yes, don't make that go over your head.
Dog not free your bad dog. Hustle man a hustle every minute pan the clock hard. Hustle while you a snap chat. Boy can't style he got car. You a waste but fraud. Tell about one dan. Him a bang hard. Tip guard the bleach till package land. Running shot make you dance salsa song. But duff buff. Come and get a phone. Catch a town. Catch a goon.
Make your mother proud. Easy now, man.
Proud with him up and make it so. Cuff him up and make it loud. Run him out and get a loan. After that you sell him home. Mama not be used
Nuh Obeah,
we take her over. Turn her in a row. Now when all of that is
over,
over, you kiss by my shoulder. Jaja.
Please, man, say me no need no Obeah. If you take her over, turn her in a rover. Rona. After all of that is over, be a tears from my shoulder.
Yo, Kwanda, my man. Oh, Richard dance up, man.
Rymey Gad, big up yourself if you would. Yeah, bro, Rymey Gad, you got a raw, edgy style. You know what I'm saying, dog? Yeah, man. Yeah, your style is still raw, edgy. You know, been refined it. You see me, I say, G? Yeah, man. You can't tell him say, me know I say dog just style music, but the dog have a raw and cut style. You see me? Yeah, man. Like the dog not too. Yeah, you have a raw and cut style. Like you have more time today for you develop and your thing get even better and rare. But you have a raw and cut style. You see me? I say me like me rate the style. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man. Rymey Gad. That was a vibe. You see me? That was a vibe, girl. I don't think about that one day. You see me? I say, yeah, big up everybody who didn't be request Rymey Gad. You see me? They say, yo, do the reaction. You see me? Big up on yourself. You see me? I say it's a vibe. Like, yo, we've been finding big artists to keep eye upon. You see me? I say, and that's how we like it over here. You see me? I say, most of the artists who are about, we've been reacting to them before anybody else. You see me? I say, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going. Finding the underground talent and the hidden stars and the hidden gems them. You see me? I say, and bring them to the forefront. But we still have to listen to we artists them about already. Don't get that shit twisted. We're gonna find the hidden gems. You see me? I say the underground kingdom when I get them crowned it and make, you know? Yeah, man, you don't know what time it is, gang. But yeah, drop your comments if you know anything about that in the comment section. If you like, go show Rymey Gad some support. Make you know say Jambisco Dan. Send on. You don't know what time it is. Drop your comments. What's your favorite part? Beats, lyrics, melody, video, visuals. Let me know all I got that good stuff. Let's get a Discord going. Yeah, discourse going. Let's talk about it, gang. Let's talk about it. Come in the comment section there for a reason. Chop it up and reply to everybody. Let's have a discussion. You don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.